Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see bottom page. This recipe transforms fresh zucchini into a tender golden slice marinated in a zesty olive oil and red wine vinegar dressing with a touch of Dijon mustard and fresh mint. After baking and resting in olive oil, the zucchini develops deep, rich flavor, ideal for serving with crusty bread, cheese, or a bright side dish. Instruction: slice zucchini into half-inch thick round. Place into a mixing bowl with 4 pinches of salt, 4 pinches of pepper, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Toss to coat evenly. Heat a cast iron skillet over high heat. Sear zucchini until golden brown on both sides, about 4 minutes per side. Transfer to a parchment-lined sheet pan. Lay it slide flat into a single layer. In a bowl, whisk together 150 milliliters of olive oil, 25 milliliters of red wine vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 pinches of pepper, and an inch chiffonade mint. Drizzle the marinade evenly over the zucchini slice. Bake it at 325 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and let the zucchini cool completely. Layer zucchini slice into a sterilized glass jar. Pressing gently with a spoon. Cover completely with olive oil. Seal with a lid and store it for at least 1 week before consuming. Like and subscribe for more content.